Hi guys, Bilal Moin is with you, and the map which you can see at your screen is for KYARR. Today everyone is getting panic about KYARR, what KYARR is and where it got started and where it's heading to. So in this map you can easily find what direction is KYARR heading to. So this is a map, and density you can see, the pressure and the tides, how big it is. In meteorology, a cyclone is the largest scale air mass that rotates around a strong center of low atmospheric pressure. You can see here in the screen Duqm, Salalah, Scotia, Mulekha, Karachi, Muscat and Masirha Island. Mainly Karachi, Masirha Island, Duqm and Muscat. And you can see the rest data as well here mentioned in the screen for the wind pressure and all these stuff will be which are clearly mentioned. So this KYARR is heading to, and it's already reached in Muscat. And the cyclone, see, these are the actual picture of cyclone, how it's heading towards, in what direction, and how it's getting rotated on and on and on, and making these tides so powerful. The storm surge created by hurricanes can also cause catastrophic damage due to heavy rainfall. Notable destructive results of the strong winds include flying debris and floods. So these are the pictures which you can see, and these are the actual videos what happening today here in Oman. So the strong tides are coming all the way out of the sea and hitting to the fence or some area where Cornish is getting in. So it's coming totally out and it's out of control. In this scenario particularly, we must not enjoy these things like people are normally doing. This is a village in Barka, Vilayat Barka, where water is coming all the way inside to the houses, and these villagers are really in trouble. So in this scenario, we have to be vigilant and we need to support as much as we can. First of all, support yourself. Do your things better in a proper way. Don't go near to such shores, such seas, such cornishes, and then support others who are in need. So as a society, we have to support instead of enjoying all these scenarios. This problem will come and go, but the aftershocks of this problem will remain, whoever will get suffer by this. Okay, one thing more, the warm and moist air that rises from the surface of the ocean forms clouds that continue to spin and expand in size. These clouds are continuously fed by more hot air from the surface to add to their energy levels. Warm air is buoyant as it is lighter. It transfers its energy to the cloud system. The system of clouds rotates at the ferocious speed, creating an eye in its center. Surprisingly, this is a place that remains calm because of low air pressure in the middle. And see how powerful these flows are, which are coming all the way in the houses, just crossing all the shores, all the cornishes. See the tide, see the pressure. So we must not enjoy, and this is really unbelievable. The water is coming down the earth, and in this particular scenario we must not go like this guy went very near to the water. We must be away from such places because we don't know what is going down to this area. We might got stuck, or we might got fall, or we might got drowned by if this all areas is getting drowned. So it's highly recommendable whenever you have such scenario, such thing, this girl got damaged badly. When we have such scenario, we must not visit such places. We need to be kept far ourselves from these things, and we must not recommend someone else to just enjoy these things. So these are not enjoyable things which normally see people are laughing and just enjoying these. These are not things to enjoy. So hope you guys got my complete message in very detail and you got understanding what cyclone is and how it's formed So it's highly recommended. Whoever is around you, whomever, you can give this awareness. Please share this message as much as you can, and tell people to go away from these things instead of getting inside that. And our institutions are really doing well. They are supporting all the peoples around. We must salute all of them. Thank you.